Imperial engineers and Odoo, together, we turn fragmented systems into a single source of truth.
Welcome to Buildscape, where we turn old, rundown buildings into the offices of your dreams. Let us show you how we manage our business with Odoo's construction module. With Odoo, emails from new clients get automatically converted into leads. This client is asking for a quotation for the renovation of their office space. Let's load an office renovation template with pre-filled services and materials. Using the product catalog is really fast. I can use categories to group products together. And with tags, I can filter the exact items in seconds. Let's start by adding construction materials to my quotation. I'll rename this section Foundation and Structure. Then I do the same for my 3 other sections, and I activate the filter to verify that each section contains the products I need. Back in my quotation, everything is automatically structured and clear for the client. In Foundation and Structure, let's add a subsection called Concrete Work and move the cement and building blocks here. I'll also add a line for rebar, since I forgot to include it earlier. For labor and services, the client just needs the total amount without detail, so I can just hide the price. In interior finishes, I hide the composition. My client doesn't need to see how the items are bundled, but I add a note instead. That way, everything is transparent, but still clean and easy to follow. In the renovation industry, most quotations look like this. To stand out from the competition, we use the quote builder. Let's add our pre-made header, products description, footer, and just like that, our amazing quote is automatically created. We can now send the quotation with WhatsApp or by email in just 1 click. And done. Once the customer signs the offer, we can send a 20% down payment, and the renovation project gets created automatically. From our renovation project, it's easy to navigate through all operations with the top bar. I have tasks, purchases of materials, requests for materials from our central warehouse, dashboards, and so on. First up, we'll meet up with the architect who laid out the plans for this construction. I'll also add a Documents button to the customizable top bar. That way, all the necessary documents are accessible in 1 click. Let's start planning the team's tasks. So, from the tasks, we go to the Gantt chart. We choose the tasks we need, and Odoo automatically schedules them. That view is useful. Let's add it to the top bar. Now, let's check our purchase orders. Every raw material order we placed for Bloom offices is here. Great! The plywood we ordered will arrive today. If needed, we can also source products from our central warehouse. Nice! Right on time. We'll also get our insulation panels today. When new materials arrive at the job site, our project manager can easily validate the receipt of products with Odoo's barcode app. Scheduling workers' shifts is no longer a tedious task. We can simply do it with a few clicks from the planning view, so no time is wasted. For smaller renovation jobs, workers don't even need to wait. They can instantly log their hours on the mobile app while still in the field. For larger projects, we can take more time and record timesheets from the desktop view at the end of the week, ensuring nothing is missed. As the renovation projects move on, we use the dashboard to manage the profitability, timesheets, planning, and what should be invoiced. Let's invoice our time and material for the month. And in just 2 clicks, it's done already. Fixing issues is part of every construction job, and thanks to the Field Service app, our clients can reach us 24/7 for any emergency. And when the technician arrives on site, he can follow up on all info that he needs with worksheets on his mobile phone. Well, that was it. Another perfect day in our construction business. And there's so much more. Get Odoo's construction module now at odoo.com.